Hi, I'm Mansi. I studied from Queen Mary University of London in 2017. I completed my master's in management, focusing more on HR and markets. Currently, I'm associated with Grant Thornton Bharat. Grant Thornton Bharat is a leading advisory firm in India, and currently I am in the private client services practice. Remember from my lectures and across the subjects, we were encouraged to think beyond the textbooks, beyond what's taught in the classroom. We were actually given real life case studies to examine, and which actually let me develop a very practical mindset. I think acquiring a degree from Queen Mary University of London has helped me a lot. It has, of course, on the papers, it has enhanced my profile to a large extent. It's also one of the most recognized universities in the world. Today, it has shaped me as a more confident person, somebody who looks at things from a global perspective. So I think that comes with when you sit in a classroom which is highly culturally diverse.